future college students, if SAT is on your radar for 2026, this is your ultimate step-by-step registration guide. No more confusion, no missed deadlines, just a clear roadmap. Oh, and yes, we have included the official SAT 2026 calendar at the end, so let's dive in.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha, study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Step 1. Head to the official College Board SAT registration page. If you don't have an account, create one using your personal email. If you already have one, just log in. This is your gateway to SAT registration. Step 2. Complete your profile. These include your full legal name, date of birth, and address. Please make sure that these exactly match your photo ID. But that's actually not all. You will also need to fill in your academic details like your high school information, intended college major, and test-related preferences like score reporting and accommodation if needed. These help College Board to personalize your experience and send your scores to the right colleges. Step 3. Choose your test date and location. For 2026, here are the upcoming SAT dates according to College Board. Test date March 14, registration deadline February 27. Test date May 2nd, registration deadline April 17. And test date June 6th, registration deadline May 22nd. And for the fall 2026, there are expected dates in August, October, November, and December. Pick your preferred center early as seats fill really fast. Did you know that a good SAT score could land you scholarships at some of the top universities? Click on the I button and watch our SAT scholarships hack video to know more. Step 4. Upload a recent headshot with a plain background, no hats, no sunglasses. This photo will appear on your admission ticket. It can be done later, but make sure it's done at least 1 week prior to your SAT exam. Step 5. SAT is now fully digital. Choose whether you will bring your own laptop or tablet or borrow one. If borrowing, register at least 30 days before your test date. If you want a complete overview of the SAT exam, covering eligibility, format, prep tips, accepting universities, don't miss our SAT exam explained in 3 minutes video linked at the I button. Step 6. Check your details carefully and then pay. Students from the US pay a fee of $68, but Indian students need to pay an international fee of $43. So the final amount is $111 for Indian students. Sales tax may apply, and in case of late registration, add $38 extra. But this option opens later, so it's better to register early. So the final step, download your admission ticket and Bluebook access. After payment, you will get the access to the Bluebook app. Your admission ticket will be available there, so download and print it. You will need this on your test day. A quick test day checklist. Bring printed admission ticket, valid photo ID, your device or borrowed device login, fully charged battery, and the Bluebook app installed. Pro tips: register early, match your ID photo, and pick dates that leave room for retakes. If borrowing a device, register 30 days ahead. Avoid late registration as it can cause last-minute center issues. So finally, here's the official SAT 2026 calendar along with the anticipated dates for the later months. Screenshot this for quick access. Still confused about SAT prep or which universities accept your scores? Shiksha Study Abroad offers free counseling to help you shortlist colleges, plan applications, and ace your study abroad journey. And if you want everything about SAT in one place, registration steps, prep tips, eligibility, and syllabus, check out our detailed SAT article on Shiksha Study Abroad. The link is in the description. News about studying abroad? Don't worry. Get free expert counseling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selection to visas, we cover it all. Message us now on WhatsApp at 8130132440 for 100% free guidance.